Hey, you guys, we're still at the Getty, still with the same pen, still with the same piece of paper, but we've walked to a different painting. And this one's a little strange. I don't know. This guy's walking with a little guy, whatever, floats your boat. Looks like he's not a dwarf, but he's definitely tiny. Unless the other guy's really big. I don't know. Let's do this drawing here. So what we're going to do is, again, we're going to stay with your process. So a rhythm chart. Shape of face, shape of hair. Think of the skull first. You want to really get that structure. There's something in there. So otherwise, you're just gonna have, mushy face. I like Chinese food, but I don't like it in my drawings. You have mushy pork, mushy chicken, mushy drawing. You don't want to have a mushy drawing. So I want to get that structure in there. See, I'm putting in these chisels, which is right from the Gibson Girl. Just focus on the Gibson Girl. I like these pens. I wasn't using them for a long time. I have a whole bunch of them. I bought a whole section, a whole group of it. Okay, it's another sketch. Again, following the same process. Shape of face, shape of hair, rhythm chart, planes, which is your sculpting, controlling your values, um, going for your cores and casts, being very careful with the halftones, really pushing the expression, really feeling the story. And that's it. Use it for everything. Okay? Let's do some new stuff. Cory wants moving now. Taking too much time, Sheldon. Gotta get to work. Okay? Do what Cory says. I'm going to do another right here. Okay, see you in a minute.